Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show how to create your Docker volume and test your custom content in the Docker container. First I will show my volume whether is have in my list. There is no volume in my list and I have one image NGINX for the testing purpose. So regularly we do docker run in the detach mode, port 80 and the 80 and the name of the container and the name of the image, docker vs. So this is the actual content of the NGINX by default. Now I have my custom data content. You can see here, this is my custom data content. Just I am going to copy this area. Right now it is not required. First we will go to create the volume. First just remove this one, the container. Just I am going to remove the current container. Now is top right. Let's create one image, not image, volume, sorry, docker volume, create my data. Just hit enter and check the volume whether it is there or not. The volume is there and I am going to the root user. I am moving to my docker volume container, docker volume. This is the path of the docker container. Docker volume is located var lib docker volumes. And now enter to my and the underscore data. You can see here there is no file in the docker volume. Now what I will do, I am going to create container with this docker image. Run in detach mode on the port 80 -v, while this is the volume and the volume name is my data colon user /share /nginx /html. This is the path of the default NGINX website is stored, and slash I am giving a name of the container NGINX volume, and the container image name is -v1, NGINX v1. Once it's done, hit enter, check it. Yeah, it's working. It is same data. Just go with your path of your web content data, and here cp, let's clear the screen, cp -rf and paste it /* space and dot. Can you see the command cp -r and the path of your website directory, star of the content, copying all the things and the current directory. I am right now in the this volume directory, docker volume directory. The volume directory I am copying from this directory to here. Just hit enter. Once it's done, let's ls. You can see it's copy all the data from local to docker volume. Now let's restart. See, your custom data is loaded from the docker volume to the, you can't lose your data by the testing. If your docker container got stop or some problem faced, maybe crashed, so your data is safe. This is the short video to learn how to connect and how to create a Docker volume. If you like to see more and more videos about this thing of the Docker and other stuff, you can check my YouTube's channel. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Once again, thanks for watching the video.